Welcome to Dalfin. Conditional rendering allows you to show or hide specific fields based on defined conditions. This helps create dynamic forms that respond intelligently to user input. To configure conditional rendering, open your window inside the BrainGrid Controller, then click on Display Field Settings from Top Bar tool. Navigate to the Field Visibility tab. Here, you can define when the selected field should be shown or hidden. Start by choosing the field that will act as the condition. Next, select the appropriate relation, such as equals, greater than, or contains. Then, enter the required value. You can also add multiple conditions and specify whether all conditions must be met or if any single condition is sufficient. Once configured, the field will dynamically appear or disappear based on the user's input. Conditional rendering improves form clarity, enhances user experience, and ensures users only see relevant fields. Thank you.